Everybody, and today in this video we are going to talk about Windows 10 Pro for workstations. Yes my friends, today in this video we are going to take a review at this unknown Windows operating system. So as you can see, I have VMware Workstation player, as you can see, and we have this virtual machine Windows 10 Pro for workstations. So it was launched in 2020, year 2020, okay, and it was a fail, okay. No one actually used it, but some companies use this OS because it is very server efficient, means it won't take much space in your server, so it is for businesses. So but normal regular Microsoft customers did not use this operating system. But today we are going to reviewing the Windows 10 Pro for workstations. So let's power on the virtual machine, okay. So yeah, powering on will take us a couple of seconds, so let's wait. And this is the old Windows 10 logo. So if you have installed Windows 11, means you have probably forgotten this logo, I think so. So yeah, let's wait until it gets booted. So until it boots, so yeah, let's wait for a while. Yeah, it would take a couple of minutes because it's a virtual machine, right, and we are recording on that. So yeah, it takes a time, guys, it takes some time when you have to wait. So yeah, finally we are here. Yep, welcome. Okay. So it is logging into the Windows, so let's wait. Yeah, nothing would happen. Alright, we have logged into the Windows 10 Pro for workstations. So as you can see here, this is the old Windows 10 wallpaper, and this is a newly freshly installed virtual machine. So yeah, look at that, apps are not updated and downloaded. So let's go into settings here. Okay, so there will be some background noise, so please forgive me. So yeah, so Windows is not activated, as you can see here, and this is the old Windows settings app, okay. So here you would, as you can see, the newly Windows 11 settings app is not like that. Let me show you the difference, okay. So as you can see, now Microsoft has done a category for it. Like there are two options here. Like the settings are not simple as Windows 10 now. In Windows 11, now it is categorized into folders, which makes difficult for going into a settings. So in my opinion, Windows 10 settings is better than Windows 11. So yeah, so update and security, see here. So updates have not done in this computer. So yep, this is very old Windows 10. Let us check the Windows version, shall we? So yeah, let's go ahead and check the Windows version. So we need to we'll go to WinWare. Yeah, okay, it is the 2018, as you can see here, trademark, and as you can see, the virus protection is also out of date. Yeah, and as you can see here, it is version 1809, which is launched in 2018. I also installed it in my Windows 11 main computer, and it is very old Windows here. As you can see here, 2018, it's very old. So it's 2018 Windows, and the latest Windows now is 21H1. So yeah, 22H2. I don't know when will the latest Windows 10 update would come. So yeah, but this is the oldest Windows, as you can see. I have webcam. Let's try the camera application over here. Oh, we can't connect. Okay, now let's see the features. Okay, so this is a normal simple Windows 10, but it is renamed as for workstations, but it has some features that are useful for server. Like if you are installing this OS in a server, no, you would get better RAM management and better storage management also. Let's go into task manager. Okay, so as you can see here, the RAM, as you can see in the normal Windows computer, so we have now 2 GB RAM. I gave it 2 GB RAM in the virtual machine settings. If you have 32 GB RAM like that, it would not use that much of the RAM because it's designed like that. Okay, if you update your Workstation Pro, it gets even better and better. If you update the apps settings, if you update the whole Windows, no, this is not updated so it is showing more RAM because we need to tweak some settings to run properly. We all know it. These are all here. It's using very high memory. These are all unnecessary background processes, and we can disable them in services tab. So yeah, and we will disable these two because these also consume RAM. Startup apps, app history, performance, and the CPU performance is okay. Like this is a virtual machine, like I gave it full CPU run, like I gave it 100% CPU utilization, but my computer is 3 GHz CPU, but it is in virtual machine, in every virtual machine it shows 2.49. I don't know why, it's an issue or it's like that, I don't know. But the RAM management and storage management is a little bit better in the Windows 10 Workstation Pro, but if you update to latest version, you would get even better. So I can't update now. Okay, it's very big update. So yeah, let's talk about. So let's continue. So we have this very old apps, and there's Cortana 2. So it's now. Hi Cortana.
I'd love to help, but you'll need to update Windows first. You can do that by using Windows Update Assistant.
So as you can see, if your Windows is unupdated like this one, you can't use the Cortana because Microsoft has discontinued Windows 10 1809 and below versions like 1509, 1609, 1709, 1809 like that. There are many lower versions. If you are using 1809 version or below, you can't use the applications normally. You have to upgrade your Windows to latest version, or else upgrade your hardware and then upgrade your Windows. There are two options left for you. You can't use the old Windows, like you can't use Windows 7 now. Servers are shut down, you know, right? Windows 7 is the legendary operating system. So we have the old apps, as you can see. The newer apps have some color in them. The older apps icon, I don't like them much. Before, when they were launched newly, this OS 1809 in 2018, I liked them. But now, when Windows 11 has launched, no one is liking these icons, which they don't have color, only they're plain black icons, white icons. I don't like them. So yeah, this Windows is not stable right now. I'm getting some jerkiness and lagginess. It's due to the virtual machine also, and Windows is not updated. Okay, Windows is not updated. As you can see, it's downloading many of them. So let's simply disconnect the Wi-Fi because it would take out my internet fast. So yeah, we'll go here. Okay, as you can see, it's downloading, but we discontinued it. We cut it off the network, so it can't download now. Okay, the third feature here is that there are no features, I think. See here, this is not edited, it's okay. So yeah, there are not much to talk about in here. So it's just a regular Windows 10 with some RAM management and better storage management, and that's it. You won't get anything new feature in this operating system. And problem with this OS is that it won't get regular updates, so you have to face the bugs because Microsoft knows no one will use this operating system. So Microsoft has lowered the updates. So if a update comes now, like now, update has came for 1809, version 1809. So it's actually not to even 2022 update 2. Look at that, 2021. See, it's 2019. So there is no new update for this whatever Workstation Pro. So you should not install it on a normal system. If you have a business, you can install it there. So not something special over here. So okay, so yeah, let's end the video. So yeah, let's shut this off. Okay, yeah, let's go. Okay, right. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, guys. So like the video, share the video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Okay, many people are not subscribing, so please subscribe and press the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, so yeah, and if you have any video suggestions, you can simply comment in our videos. We will enable the comment section. You can simply comment, upload this video, that video will upload for you. So yeah, thank you and have a good day. Stay home, stay safe.